one thing that I love about having the lawn tractor is that you get to do so much. You get to use this little truck bed back here, but you know what? That allows me to do so much work as I'm getting out here on the farm, kind of like what we're doing right now. Now, the one thing that you're going to find is that once we start throwing things in here, well, it starts to fill up pretty quickly, and when that happens, either you're going to make a lot of trips or, well, you need a little bit of help. This is the 7.5 cubic foot, and I think it has the capacity of like 500 pounds trailer from Ryobi. Now this makes sense, and the reason why it makes sense because it hooks to this awesome tractor. Now to hook it up to the lawn tractor, well, it doesn't really take much. It just takes a little regular 2-inch hitch receiver. You don't need the ball in it. Go ahead and hook that trailer up to it, or just any old lawn trailer, any of the 0 turns, well, that hooks up to it too. Now if we take a walk around this, it has 16-inch all-terrain pneumatic tires on the back of it. Like I said, it's 7.5 cubic feet. Now if we take a look inside, you can see the depth's actually really good, but you also have these slots right here to where you can put stakes, and you can actually raise this up so you can haul a lot of grass or leaves, whatever you really want to do. You've got the capabilities of doing it with this particular trailer, and it just looks really good. Now, it's not so much a one-trick pony as what you would think, just being a trailer. It's also, if I pull this little handle right here, it's actually a dump cart too. And if we take a closer look, it actually has a pivot right here, so you're able to pivot this left and right to really get the stuff out easily. So this is really helpful if you have a lot of dirt or something else in here, but you're able to dump it right out. Now listen, I get it. It's not practical for wood. But it is for other things. So in our garden, we have to do so much in order to keep the animals out. One of the big things we have to do is we have to put up little animal fences, and that's what this is. So we have our post driver in here, and we have our stakes or our fence posts. We can't really put them in the back of tractors or anything else. That's why a cart is necessary. Now this is a 5-foot post right here, and these are 4-foot posts right here, but either case, this is what you really need in order to get the job done. And well, I gotta get to work. So actually what I found is that it's the most helpful, especially if we're doing soils for our garden. And this is really nice soil that we have over here. We're hauling dirt or grass or other stuff. That's where this really comes in handy, because you can do a lot. And maybe that's where you all need to pay attention, because whenever we say it has a 500-pound capacity, that's where it really comes in handy. Now this is a plastic cart, super easy to put together. You're going to be able to pick this up. It's available right now for $279 for the whole kit, and I've got to say, it's just big enough to do the job, not too big that it overcomplicates things. Pretty happy with it. So everybody, I hope that this was helpful to you. Hope that you enjoyed this video as well, that it was informative in some type of way. If you thought it was, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And do me a huge favor, and this is the biggest thing of all, share the video. If you share the video, someone that may not have seen this may see it, they may learn something, and it may help them out. So get out there, go build something, make mistakes, learn from your mistakes, grow from those mistakes, pass it on to the next generation, and we're all going to be better for it. And until next time, my name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool On. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.